So the journey to find the perfect K-Cup brewer is not going on anymore. I think this is the 5th machine that I've had in my lifetime that makes K-Cups. They've just made the residential units are terrible. They just end up going out. If they have a touch screen on them, I'd say stay away from those. We had one once that just started glitching and acting all goofy and stuff like that. And we had the Elite model the last time, which was high end. It's like 170 bucks for residential. It had like a pewter color. I guess it was made to look good, and you could pick between 3 different colors that were subtle changes in color for your house. But this is the smallest commercial grade K-Cup machine that they make, up to 15 employees for business, and 96 ounce tank on here, which is really cool, with a handle, super sturdy. I think the finish looks good. It actually matches our other appliance here, and so I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. It's not just a plain black like I see in some salons and stuff that people have, but it actually has a two-tone mix that matches. Everything's super thick on this thing, and just to slide out for a bigger cup to fit into. But from comparison, the K Elite and this commercial K1500, there's not much difference. They just move this tank out some to allow for that extra ounces, 20-30 ounces, whatever it is, over the Elite. So it doesn't take up any more room than the Elite does, and it's not an eyesore either, which is great. And you do get your strong brew settings, and you get 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounce, and you can make pure water out of this thing too. It tells you when to descale, when to add water. It'll auto shut off, which you can change that. It's in the menu. And the cool thing is on the back is a little door. It has a hose on it. You can drain the internal tank, but there's also like a Cat 5 little cable in there, so I don't know if that's something to do with the manufacturer, so it can run a diagnostics on it if something's wrong with the unit, or I don't know what that's for. I haven't found that in any kind of manual why that's there. So if you know, leave a comment for that in the back. But this is it's quiet. Makes a good cup of coffee. You can make some changes. Like I said, it's in the manual. You just hold these button configurations down to select the auto off, and for the high altitude setting and stuff like that, it's all on there. But the material that this is made out of is way better than any other residential model. It's only $10 more than the Elite, so there's really no excuse, no reason why you shouldn't own the lowest end commercial grade K1500 over any other K-Cup maker. I would pay double for this if I was on the fence. Like, I wouldn't even consider those cheaper K-Cups for sure, and I would definitely take this over the Elite, because our Elite is taking a dump. So we've replaced it with this. Love it. I just recommend it. This is a PSA to you. Don't learn the hard way like I did. Go the K1500 route. Link down in the description. Hit that link up, leave some comments if you do get it, and stuff like that. See ya.